Hi everyone, I'm Vijay Durga. The topic of today's video is dividing polynomials. Before getting into the video, let's take an example of dividing of the numbers. Let's take an example here, 25 by 3. Here I am dividing 25 with 3. We know 3 8s, 24. We get a 1. The division will stop here. We can write 25 is equals to 3 into 8 plus 1. Here 25 will be dividend and 3 will be divisor. 8 will be quotient and 1 will be remainder. 25 is the dividend which we are dividing with the divisor, and 8 is the quotient which we got an answer, and 1 will be the remainder. Here we got a remainder 1. So 3 is not a factor of 25. If we get any remainder, we can say that the number is not a factor. So let's take an example here, another example. 20 by 4. Here I am dividing 20. 4 5s we get 20. 4 5s 20. We got a remainder 0. Here the dividend is 20. Divisor is 4. Quotient is 5. And the remainder is 0. Here we got a remainder 0. So we can say that 4 is a factor of 20. Similarly, we can do divisions for polynomials also. So let's see how we can do that. So let's see how to divide polynomials by monomials. Here, let's take an example here. 3x cube minus 2x square plus x dividing by x. Here, this is a polynomial and this is a monomial. Let's represent this 3x cube minus 2x square plus x. Here we need a quotient which will be the factor. We can do this method by dividing, multiplying and subtracting. First, the dividing stands for dividing the first term with our divisor, that is 3x cube by x. Then we will get 3x square. Now, the n stands for multiplying. Multiplying this term with our quotient, so we can get the answer here. That is 3x square into x. We get 3x cube. So, our required term is 3x square. X into 3x square will be 3x cube. Now, the s stands for subtraction. So we take a minus symbol here. They both get cancelled. And we need to bring down this number. This term. We get 2x square plus x. We need to bring the full term. So we get minus 2x square plus x. We follow again DMS. That will be dividing 2x cube plus x with x. Then we get minus 2x cube by x and x by x. That means we will get minus 2x square plus 1. This will be the next term. So let's take this here, minus 2x square plus 1. Here S stands for subtraction. So I am writing 2x square plus x here. Here we take a negative sign. If we take a negative sign, we will get a positive here and a negative here. So these two get cancelled and these two get cancelled. We get a remainder of 0. So we can say that x is a factor of 3x cube minus 2x square plus x. Let's take another example here. 3x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. polynomial by monomial. So x plus 1, 3x square minus x plus 1. Here again we need to DMS. We need to do DMS. Here D, dividing the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. Then we get 3x here. Now multiplying this quotient with the divisor, we get 3x into x plus 1. We get 3x square plus 3x. So this will be our answer here, 3x square plus 3x. 3x will be quotient. 3x into x plus 1 will be 3x square plus 3x. Here we need to subtract. So I get a negative sign here and a negative sign here. 3x square and minus 3x square get cancelled. Here I get minus x minus 3x. That is minus 4x. And taking down 1, we'll get minus 4x plus 1. Again we need to divide minus 4x with the first term x. We'll get minus 4. We need to multiply this with x plus 1. Minus 4 into x plus 1 will be minus 4x minus 4. This will be our answer here. We get minus 4x minus 4 and we get a quotient minus 4. So here negative sign changes. Here also sign changes. So minus 4x and plus 4x get cancelled. Here 1 plus 4 will be 5. As you can see, we got a remainder 5 here. So we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of 3x square minus x plus 1. Now let's try and solve this example. Find remainder when x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Now let's try this in a shortcut method. Let's take p of x is equals to x cube plus 1 and we need to divide it with x plus 1, that is p of x by x plus 1. Now the shortcut method is, if the 0 of this polynomial satisfies this polynomial, we can say that this is a factor of p of x. Now 0 of this one is x plus 1 is equals to 0. X will be 0 minus 1. X is minus 1. Now if we get p of x is equals to 0, then we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1. Now let's see p of minus 1 is 0 or not. Now p of minus 1 will be minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 1. We get 0 here. So x plus 1 is factor of p of x, that is x cube plus 1. Now let's try and solve another example here. Check whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. Now let us assume this as p of x. P of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. So as I said, we need to equate x minus 2 to 0, then we get x here. So p of 2 should be 0. Then x minus 2 will be the factor of p of x. Now let's see p of 2 here. We get 2 cube minus 2 into 2x square minus 5 into 2 plus 4. Here 2 cube is 8 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 5 2's 10 plus 4. We get 8 minus 2 4's 8 minus 10 plus 4. Here plus 8 and minus 8 cancels and we get 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. That is not equal to 0. So x minus 2 is not a factor, not a of P of x.